Yo, what up? Good afternoon. Hapat ako na mag-duty, no? Medyo groggy. Pero muli siya takay, mag-ilis sa takay, napatay. Shoot ko, no? Attend ang event, kita yung photographer sa birthday. So, alright. Let's go. Yo, what up? Nabot na sa venue. So, time check 5:06. O, musaka na ta karon kay para maka-set up na ta sa 4th floor daw. Let's go. Let's go. What up? Abot na sa venue, min. So, alam na ko bangko kay man set up na ko. Anyways, let's go. Shoot, tagamay sa details, no? Let's go. Pumuntan si gamay, yung gamay ng highlights no? Para ingnon kabalo ba. Pita ta, let's go. Thank you.
Mommy, and we're boss again, guys. So you have to stay on close 8 na limang sa siguro kay Murag. Tulong na lang kalakahan, bangko na. Gotta say hi. So, okay, hi, Tinky. Everybody smile, look at the camera. Everybody.
Join everybody. Thank you.
Relax.
Yo, transfer sa takay, napuno mo ang card. Dura akong card doon. So, 16 gig, pang balagbag, no? Mabisa na Japon. Let's go. Yung kaon, goy. Yung mga tag-kaon. Bakit na mo wrap up?
Smile, look at our official photographer and smile. Oi! Hey!
Last one, Maki. Sibog naman. Pagod, last one. Smile, big smile. Oh, kayo.
Okay.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Yo, what up? Uli, ata, let's G. Naku. Yo, what up? Sibat na ito, boy. Sibat na ito, no? So, that was 4 hours, bye. Alright, so muli na tanaw. So that was it. Dali na kayo. Time check 9 PM na. Duty patawag na. Let's go. Yo, what up? So time check 9:18. Moro to. And muli na ta kayo mo duty patawag ma, no? So taas ka to kadlaw ron, medyo luya kita. Sabat na ko. Let's G.